Hi friends, welcome back. This is Lavanya and you're watching Techie Talk. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss fastest way and approaches to become software engineer and get a job. Are you planning to become a software engineer in coming years? I'm going to share roadmap and few important points to become a software engineer in coming years. I am going to share this roadmap those who are really interested to learn and to get a job. That is the people who doesn't have proper guidance and doesn't know how to get a job and struggling to get to know the right roadmap and also right approach. This video will be useful for them. By end of this video, you will get an idea and also roadmap how to become a software engineer. So people who are really struggling to get an IT job, make sure you follow the points which I am sharing in this video so that it will be easy for you to get a job. So here I have taken one particular skill and shared the roadmap for that skill. So if you are interested in any other set of skills, please plan accordingly your roadmap. So now let's get into the video. In the roadmap, first skill which I would suggest you to learn to become a software engineer is SQL. To learn SQL, it will take hardly 30 days. But basically, the duration for SQL is 30 days. To learn SQL, you have various websites to learn this SQL and also practice online in the same website. For example, I'm sharing you a website W3 School. So make sure you log into this website and go through the SQL and start preparing your SQL. So within 30 days, you will be able to complete this SQL course. So, you might get a question after me saying SQL as first point in our roadmap. Why should I learn SQL? What is the use of this SQL? For any software engineer, SQL is must. That is, when they work on implementation or enhancement, if a scenario is given, everything will be fetched or stored or manipulated the data from the SQL only database, that is SQL database. So if you doesn't know the basics of SQL also, then it is very hard in the IT industry to survive or to get a job. If you are attending an interview, for sure you will be shooted with questions on SQL mandatorily. Though if they skip any other frameworks, but mandatory they will ask questions on SQL. Second one is advanced Excel concepts. What? Excel? Why should I learn Excel? Is what your thought will be when I say second point as Excel. So the detailed description I'm going to give is, now the world is completely filled with data, as you all know. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or any other application you take where the data is stored in database. But if you wanted to manipulate the data or if you wanted to fetch the data, it is done via Excel sheet. I mean, the data is stored in Excel sheet when you retrieve them. So for this purpose, when you are working on the real time, if you get a scenario to fetch the customer's details of whose transaction in last 30 days or who has done XYZ scenario something, you have to get the data in the Excel sheet. So you should have shortcut keys and also VLOOKUP concept and some Excel concept to work on it very easily. For example, even IT recruiters also use Excel in their most of the day-to-day activities. So knowing Excel is also another best suggestion in our roadmap. Third one is Tabula or PowerBI, any data visualization or reporting tool, or it is also said as business intelligence tool. If you learn this data visualization tool, you will be able to create dashboards very easily or business reports very easily. So learning any of the data visualization tool is recommended. Most of the IT companies uses this data visualization tool for taking decisions on their business requirements. So the popular data visualization tool is Power BI or Tabula. After learning this Tabula or Power BI, I recommend you people to learn any programming language, simple programming language, that is Python. Anyone can learn this core Python very easily. Why I would say you to learn Python is nowadays IT companies, based on their requirement, they expect candidates to know basic programming also. So a core Python is the one who a non-IT background candidate also can learn it very easily because it's such a lightweight programming language. So I recommend you to learn core Python. If you are expecting a good package, then learning any basic programming language and scripting language is mandatory to get a good package. After completing learning of these skills, I would suggest you to be strong in your communication skills and analytics skills, logical thinking skills. That is, when you are attending an interview, though you miss answering a few concepts technically, but if your communication is strong and if your attitude is right, you will definitely land up with a good job. So guys, make sure you improve your communication skills day by day. That is by practicing with your friends speaking in English, and also gain the confidence that you will be able to get the job for sure. So my suggestion is, interview, make sure you possess the confidence in your face, and also, and don't let the interview know that you are in tension. So guys, keep an attitude that try and try until you succeed is the word. So if you fail in this interview, no worries. In the next interview, you will be a better person. You will be a better person because already you know you had a failure and you know the questions, what type of questions they are shooting to you. So you will be a better person in the second interview. So guys, trust me, if you attend 4 to 5 interviews, in the sixth interview, automatically you will have the confidence that you will be able to answer the questions and also get a job. So never let your hopes get down. So guys, if you have liked this content and it had given you a valuable information, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also hit the like button. So thank you. See you with a new other video. Bye.